find you a bucky.
It's not a bucket. It's a Hilux.
Yeah, it is TV, it is Times. My name is Junior Chabokani. I'm petting jam without wasting time. My brother from another mother. Benedict, so Filagas. Yeah, so Fetu, how was the game, Fetu? Yeah, Bafana against Tanzania.
I'm going to say when a chairman.
Technical director.
I'm going to say Mr. Keo. I'm going to say Steezy. I'm going to say Lindom Gwen. I'm going to say Nema Kite and supporting Jalo like this TV. So Benjamin Jalang Chigi food. Yazi uthema ngibuza lo mbuzo loyo wena Juna ngavele ngaba namahlaba la emqolo yeah mana amahlaba namacramp kusho uthi something is not right.
Yeah, man, fire.
Yeah, something is not right because when you look at our team, it seems like ngathi we need to especially for me, let's agree all of us, but without Sundowns players we don't have a team.
Yeah.
Because isipanel coach sakho mase week kusho uthi uzofana nenyoka kumele uhambe ngesisu phansi.
Yeah.
That was into ebeyenzakala kule game le because we couldn't control the midfield, losing passes. I don't want to question certain players because I think the coach wants to give everyone a chance, but there's some players that I will ask why they didn't get a chance to be also called up lapana national team. A player like Unduli for me was Stellenbosch. He's one player that I think was supposed to be there. When you look at the midfield, a person that we will connect to the defense and make everyone play, because if we can't play in the midfield, that means our attacking, our number 10, the brain of the team is not going to function.
Yeah.
But you can't think. That's what you can see these bodies. But our England is sebenzi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For me, I think today, without waste this card, we playing like, you see, before Hugo Bros came in South Africa, before as I think we were playing exactly this way. Without to control midfield, without Nkulmango proper number 6, two attacking midfielders, or maybe sometimes we a double sitting 6. We want to be box to box, be balance, and then go no number 10 in front. So today I think we're playing like before Hugo Bros arrived in South Africa. We play against the weakest team, so a tactical poor. This team, the energy is less. They couldn't even control the ball. Circulate the ball first half. For me, yes, I think they delay. But I think they were not ababuzanga question football. It's a question and answers. In today's game, how many shots on target from Bafana Bafana?
I think it's only,
how many clear cut chances? Let me ask that way.
No, I think we had one face off that Eshawe a police and then by blocker towards the goal line. And other than that,
so I have to be honest with you. Credit to Pek for you too. I was very pleased. Left. The game and showed individual players, but if we can be realistic, they never been tested. In Pek for you too. About testang, yes, solid, very clinical, very comfortable. Instead, they were comfortable more than our midfielders. And always when you got the back 4, comfortable ganje ufuna number 6 ozovela. Ngikhuluma ngomkwena. Ngibuyela kule point without Sundowns. Anyway, I don't care who says what, yabo. Even the coach himself can tell without Sundowns the national team is nothing. We need to be realistic. We had Paris players. We can't point fingers, but it's true. Let's be realistic today. I think they play too individual. We've got Mfukeng, very individual player, talented, but you need the surrounding, ufuni supplier, ufuni support. We have a funa bomkwena, you need players abafana na bomshishi, Tembazwane. I believe, without Sundowns players, the team is like ngibonena ama player nje wonke lawo national nalabo bafakeza ama sub. I think everybody's running. Ngibona esilahle ne shape. Ngibona Mfukeng in the middle field, ngibona uNkotha ba one sided yena noMfukeng mabangena second half. Even the first half I couldn't even see. Ngikhuluma ngalo mfana uMreme, he was given a chance today. He never show up. I mean ibuyela back na ku selection coach yes umfana bamnikela chance ngimbonile right, it did nothing for me. A police, I think, is a regular player. Bafana. To me, I don't think he showed much. And the striker could be due. Yes, good amount rounds mfana ngimbonile wenza, but not much in terms of his supply. Talent matter for me too. Energy, but he plays like a centre back. You can't be careless mawudlala kule position. Give away maning man umfana. Unama give away maning. Tito, it looks like body language kunento emhluphayo. Ngikhuluma nge off the field kunento ekhona ku Tito. Ngikhuluma akusinto on the field. Mangibheka mina the body language. The one of the best talent for me yalazi ibhola leya. Leya kimi I South Africa buyi identify talent lapha and now umfana was apply. So lo mfana lo engine question ngayo. He just arrived now sleep. I know kune hype ngayo to me everyone, but for me there's better players that you could bring kubafana. Uno Maema was the captain at Chenyas ukuthi uhambile ne Sundowns mhlambe Club World Cup, but ezusho kunabonduli. There's players that you can play. Nalo mfana udlala ku Golden Arrows, which is even now human, even Pule XT. Just bring them. Dlala nga taking in the middle. So unfortunate. So for me, sibukeli game sacrifice mina ngizokhuluma nge-selection ku-coach somewhere somehow, but also the players man. They deserve a draw because these Tanzanian guys second half much better in terms of keeping the position because the best way to defend is to attack. But when into keep ball, ball second half much better gibo in terms of keeping the ball. Not a good pass like ball position about the way on top of us, but the ball. I think we had to work in order for us to win the ball. And second half.
You know, masengithi ngizokhuluma kahle iqiniso kahle.
Yeah.
Mara into efanele ngabe sikhuluma ngayo cash.
Yeah.
There was no creativity.
Yeah.
Combination play. Individual players, because I saw a police coming inside, opening a space for Upasadini to go up. But now, when Apolis is getting the ball, instead of him turning and trying to have a combination play no computer lapana pambil, so that what was the point for him to come inside and open the space? Because if I saw a party and then get a ball and 10, then you can play Cupido adlale ngaphandle ngoba angotufuna ama cross Bruce. So Cupido angadlala le because saka create space lapana for Upasadini to go and put a cross. But you don't see even that. So those are the things that I ask myself, but even the small drills that we can do at Chimini, okay, Gena na Parati, we center back, good player. Good player, the Chess Galaxy. Good player. It's good with the ball, good covering. Yes, it didn't have much in terms of Subone, the primary job as being a defender.
Very important.
That is one thing that everyone with the ball Nama can play with the ball. But now the problem is that your primary job, can you do your primary job? So yes, tonight there was no that test. Primary job. But now my question is, can we do just in la madrisa se chimin good center back idlala la paro police ungenile 10 police play Cupido edlalele wide for Upasadini, then you guys get to the box, actually cross. There was nothing. But yeah, it was good to see Mfukeng Kingama 2000 Gota came in also. He tried party looking for that space to take a shot. But I think those guys, they just defended very well.
Yeah, for me, I think well deserved in terms of it. There's nothing much. Anyway, we are analysts. We have to talk about the game. Yeah. So for me, I need to be honest. It was a boring game.
Yeah.
Boring game. I think both coaches now, I'm sure they were both on the bench. It's better if like the way we played like I'm not too sure. It's like players who are unfit. The way we were playing, both teams. It's like players who are unfit, and it's like a pre-season games, like a friendly game. So, well deserved. Me a friendly game. There's nothing much, honestly. Ngoba na Tanzania, how many short ball again, buddy? Bafika ngaki, ngikhuluma ngabo nje. but credit for them ukuthi nje basibambe nge-0-0 because these are top players ku-Betway Premiership, especially emathimini wabo. I think ucoach selected because of they've been top. Angithi i-coach ibone leyo nto leyo. But if we can be realistic, both teams did nothing, so it was a boring game for me.
Yeah, Junior, hayi njalo mfethu Diski TV, Diski Times, World Sports Betting. Siyabonga.
For breaking news, go to idiskitimes.co.za.
Shop kunjani bafowethu, igama lami uLindo Pep, the best analyst in the country. Please don't forget to subscribe to iDiski TV. Danko.
This is Bongane Benedict Vilakazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Diski TV.